So ngayon guys, kikilalanin natin si Pek-Pek the woodpecker. Okay.
This is the house where Pek-Pek the woodpecker lives. Hello, Pek-Pek. Pek-Pek has gone
Hello Pek-Pek daw. So ano kaya sagot ni Pek-Pek doon? Hi.
in after the ball. He's got all muddy.
Ano? Putik-putik na may lupa-lupa si Pek-Pek.
Now another puddle. Can you see? Pek-Pek has muddy stains on his tummy. Oh, look! And on his head, too. Look how dirty Pek-Pek is. Look how dirty Pek-Pek is.
Uh-oh. Time to have a wash.
Mag-ano naman pala, mag-wash, maglilinis naman pala. Kasi dirty na nga eh. Siyempre pag dirty, dapat binawash yun. Tsaka kahit hindi dirty, dapat talaga madalas binawash yun. Yung iba dyan, baho-baho na, di pa nag-wash. Ano yun? Buti pa si woodpecker.
The little owl is filling the paddling pool with
Yun, nilagyan na. Nilagyan na ng tubig para nga naman mahugasan na si Pek-Pek, di ba? Sana all naghuhugas, no?
water, so Pek-Pek can have a wash.
Siyempre, di ba? Kahit sino naman eh, pag
Pek-Pek likes
Hinugasan.
having a wash.
siyempre magiging happy, di ba?
Hop is using more and more soap on Pek-Pek. More.
So, kailangan pala soap. Pero mas maganda kung feminine wash. Hindi, I mean, okay rin talaga yan. Bahala na kayo kung ano yung pang ano nyo, Colgate, yung mga ganyan. Basta, importante makapag-wash.
And more and more. Pek-Pek is happy, but there's still some mud left.
Happy daw gago. So bagay, kahit ako eh, pagka wash, bagong wash, happy din talaga ako.
Have a sniff and see how nice it smells. Nice, isn't it? Pek-Pek is
Have a sniff. Di ba? Pagka mabango
nice,
talaga,
isn't it?
okay din talaga ako.
Pek-Pek is ready to wash his head.
Goods talaga, goods.
Pek-Pek looks like a little flower. Pek-Pek looks like a little flower.
Sabi, Pek-Pek is look like a little flower. Oo nga naman, no? Mukha naman talagang flower yun. Bakit nga ganun?
You're all clean, Pek-Pek. Now they can play with the foam.
Oo, okay na. Clean na daw.